Manifestation is a powerful practice that has seen a surge in popularity over the years, largely due to the teachings of influential figures like Neville Goddard, Dr. Joseph Murphy, Wayne Dyer, Louise Hay, and Esther Hicks. These pioneers have inspired countless individuals to believe in the possibility of creating their desired realities through various manifestation techniques. Yet, despite their earnest efforts, many find themselves mired in disappointment and doubt. In this video, we will delve deep into the common pitfalls that hinder successful manifestation and explore actionable strategies to overcome them. This isn't just another video, it's a profound exploration with guaranteed insights to help you perfect your manifestation practices. I promise you will finish this video equipped with a 100% effective solution to enhance your manifestation abilities. So, I encourage you to watch until the end. But before we dive in, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to continue creating valuable content just for you. One of the most important things that people usually ignore is the belief system. Your beliefs are the foundation upon which your entire reality is constructed. They shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and influence the events and circumstances that take place in your 3D world. Therefore, if your belief system is riddled with negativity, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs, it can become a barrier to successful manifestation. Addressing and reshaping your belief system is a fundamental step in the manifestation process. Begin by taking a close look at your beliefs. What do you truly believe about yourself, your abilities, and your deservingness? Are there negative beliefs that are holding you back and limiting your potential? Often, these beliefs are deeply ingrained and may have been formed in childhood, influenced by parents, teachers, or societal norms. Awareness is the first step towards transformation. Once you've identified these negative or limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself whether these beliefs are based on objective truth or are simply conditioned patterns of thinking that no longer serve you. Reflect on their origins and consider how they have impacted your life. The second most popular reason is the attachment to the 3D reality. The 3D reality, which represents the physical world we perceive, can be both a powerful force for manifestation and a significant obstacle. If we become overly attached to it, the key to successful manifestation often lies in detaching ourselves from this current reality. In the manifestation community, the 3D reality is often referred to as a delayed projection of our past thoughts and beliefs. It's a reflection of what we've consistently thought and felt in the past, which has materialized into our present circumstances. However, if we continue to perceive the 3D reality as the ultimate truth and the only reality, we inadvertently perpetuate the same patterns and conditions that may not align with our desires. To address this challenge, we must shift our perspective. First, understand that reality is multidimensional. The physical world is just one dimension of existence. Beyond it, there are layers of consciousness, energy, and potential waiting to be tapped into. When we fixate on the 3D reality as the only truth, we limit ourselves. Instead, open your mind to the idea that you can shape and influence reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. Secondly, detachment doesn't mean abandoning the physical world or ignoring your current circumstances. It means recognizing that your current reality is a product of your past thoughts and emotions. It's acknowledging that you have the power to create a new reality by shifting your focus to what you desire rather than what you have. Practice mindfulness to observe your attachment to the 3D reality. When you catch yourself dwelling on limitations or unfavorable conditions, gently redirect your thoughts toward your desired outcome. Number 3, emotions and feelings. Emotions and feelings play a crucial role in the manifestation process. It's not enough to simply think about what you desire. You must also feel as if you've already attained it. Your emotions are like the fuel that propels your manifestations forward. However, many people struggle with effectively generating the right emotions to support their desires. When you imagine your desired reality, it's essential to feel the emotions associated with that reality. Whether it's joy, excitement, or gratitude, immerse yourself in it as if you are living the experience right now. Visualization and imagination are powerful tools for detaching from the 3D reality and aligning with your desires. Take time each day to vividly imagine your desired reality. Close your eyes and see yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions associated with it. Now, since we are talking about emotions and how our doubts and negative thoughts can affect our whole manifestation process, let's take this chance to send a positive thought into the universe. Let's affirm and write in the comments section, I trust that everything will fall into place at the right time. Now let's move to the next point. Number 4, lack of faith in the law. A significant hurdle in the manifestation journey is a lack of faith in the underlying universal laws that govern the process. If you doubt or question the efficacy of these laws, your efforts may lack authenticity and conviction, ultimately hindering your progress. This lack of faith can become a major roadblock to your manifestations, as it undermines the very foundation upon which successful manifestation is built. To truly harness the power of manifestation, it is essential to cultivate a deep, unwavering belief in these universal principles. Strengthening your understanding and trust in the law will significantly enhance your ability to manifest your desires. Take the time to study and understand the principles of the law you're working with, whether it's the law of attraction, the law of assumption, or any other framework. The more you understand how these laws operate, the easier it becomes to have faith in them. Look for examples and stories of people who have successfully manifested their desires using the same laws. These real-life success stories can serve as evidence that the law works and provide validation for your own efforts. Number 5, insufficient persistence. Persistence is a critical factor in the manifestation process. It's not enough to simply visualize your desires once or twice and then expect them to materialize. To bring your manifestations into reality, you must consistently engage with your intentions, maintaining focus and determination. This involves dedicating time daily to reinforce your visualizations, affirmations, and other manifestation practices. Without persistent effort, your intentions can lose momentum, making it harder to achieve your goals. Overcoming setbacks and remaining steadfast in your practice is essential for turning your desires into tangible outcomes. Incorporate your manifestation rituals into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to focus on your desires through visualization, affirmations, meditation, or any other technique you prefer. Be specific about what you want to manifest and set clear, achievable goals. Clearly define your desires and intentions, breaking them down into manageable steps if necessary. This clarity helps you maintain focus and stay committed to your goals, even when faced with challenges. Number 6, lack of naturalness. One of Neville Goddard's key teachings emphasizes the importance of feeling natural about your desires. If you struggle to feel authentic and natural about your manifestations, it can significantly hinder their realization. Feeling as if your desires are already a part of your reality is a vital aspect of the manifestation process. Here's how to infuse authenticity and naturalness into your manifestations. Neville Goddard recommended a technique called SAATs, which stands for state akin to sleep. This technique involves entering a relaxed, drowsy state just before sleep and using this transitional state to visualize your desires as if they have already been fulfilled. The drowsy state is effective because it allows your subconscious mind to be more receptive to the visualizations, making it easier to internalize your desires. As mentioned earlier, consistency is crucial. Visualize your desired outcomes daily, incorporating all your senses to make the experience as vivid and realistic as possible. The more you engage with your visualizations, the more familiar and natural they become to you. When you immerse yourself fully in the scene of your desired reality during your visualizations, use all your senses to make it as real as possible. Feel the emotions, touch, smell, and taste in your imagination. This level of immersion makes the desired reality feel more natural and believable. In your daily life, start behaving and making choices as if your desires have already been realized. This reinforces the feeling of naturalness and aligns your actions with your goals. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, start acting like the successful professional you want to become by dressing the part, networking with industry professionals, and enhancing your skills through courses or workshops. The more you align your current actions with your desired reality, the more natural it will feel. Additionally, consider incorporating affirmations that reinforce the feeling of naturalness. Affirmations like, "I am already living my dream life," or "I naturally attract my desires," can help shift your mindset. Repeating these affirmations daily can gradually reprogram your subconscious mind to accept your desires as a natural part of your life. Another effective method is to create a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images, quotes, and other visual representations of your goals and desires. Placing your vision board where you can see it daily helps keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, making them feel more tangible and achievable. As you regularly view and interact with your vision board, it helps to bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired reality. Furthermore, practicing gratitude can enhance the feeling of naturalness. When you express gratitude for your current blessings and the manifestations that are on their way, you acknowledge and affirm the presence of positive outcomes in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from a state of lack to a state of abundance, making it easier to feel that your desires are already being fulfilled. Finally, remember that the journey of manifestation is a process. It requires patience, persistence, and a deep belief in the naturalness of your desires. As you continue to practice these techniques, you will find that your manifestations become more natural and effortless, leading to the realization of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Your comments and feedback are always appreciated, so feel free to share your thoughts below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way.